up, YouTube? It's your girl Brooklyn, and I'm back with another. So I'm so excited today, y'all. Guess what? Your girl got some Nadula hair. So guys, I'm just gonna do a quick hair review. You know, your girl gotta tell you how I like this new hair. You know, got the length, the bundles, all that. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm also gonna do some quick pros and cons of the hair. If you guys want to hear about this, keep watching, and I'm gonna have all the information in the link in the descriptions, all the links to the hair, all the information, discount codes, everything, girls. So if you need any of the information, definitely look in the description. Okay, so boom. Okay guys, so let's start with that. What kind of hair do I have in? What kind of hair? I know y'all wondering, like, girl, how your hair, like, why is it looking so slick and you looking so... Okay guys, so I have in the Indian straight, and it's a 20, 22, 24 with an 18-inch closure. Yes, gotta have a closure, y'all. Gotta have that closure. I was sent this hair. I did not purchase it, but I'm gonna give you guys an honest review because y'all know I'm all about the real and I have to tell you the truth. So here is, so for the first pro, I would say it's the length. It's true to length. It's very long. If I stand up, you guys can see it's right here. And I'm about 5'8", so it comes down to my hip, which is definitely true to length. Another pro I would say is it doesn't shed too much. It does have a little bit of shedding, but it's nothing that's not manageable. It's nothing that where I'm like, oh my god, it's shedding everywhere. It mainly sheds just when I'm combing it out, but not just throughout the day. It's kind of shedding everywhere, so that's amazing. There was no smell when I received the hair, which is nice, because you know want to get new hair. You're so excited about the hair, and you smell it, and you're like, oh girl, what is this? So there was definitely no smell, which is amazing as well. I got the hair made into a wig. Obviously you guys can see that. So let's get up close. I did not bleach the knots, so legit I was able to just go ahead and put some foundation there, honey, some concealer. You can do any of that, and it looks nice and natural still, so that's also a pro. Now as far as the cons go, it does get wavy. Now I washed it once I first got it, and it was a bit wavy. It's supposed to be Indian straight, but it wasn't straight, so it has some waves in there, which caused frizz. Okay, so when I first left it in the house after blow drying and straightening it, I woke up in the morning, I didn't even know it was my wig, y'all, because it was so puffy. It was so big, and I was thinking, what? But that's all because it's not just straight hair. Even though it is Indian straight, it does have a wave to it. But I wore it out today and it was perfectly fine. It looked good. It stayed long in the heat, and that's because I use this right here. So this is the argan oil, the renewing argan oil with extra penetrating oil. So what I did is after I straightened it, hold on, let me let y'all see this. Yes, so after I straightened it, y'all, I just put like about a dime size piece in my hands, rubbed it together. I made sure I rubbed it a whole bunch so that it didn't get you know, when it kind of gets heavy and stringy, I didn't want that, so I just kind of rubbed it in. I put it all in the hair, and then the hair ended up looking really nice throughout the day. And that's really what I did for the frizz. Other than that, I think that kind of ends it for the pros and cons. But I love the hair, y'all. Honestly, I'm feeling like, I don't know, a superwoman something out here with the long hair. I really think that it suits me as far as the length and the texture. I am liking the texture now with the oil in there, girl. It's feeling soft. It really feels good. And I like that it looks natural looking. I definitely think that y'all should get this hair, y'all. I would get it if I was me, so I think you should get it as well. So I would definitely recommend this hair, y'all. Everything is in the description, so if anything, if you don't remember, just go ahead and click the link in the description. Go ahead and look in the description, get all the information. I will definitely put what kind of hair that I have. Again, I have the Indian 20, 22, 24 with an 18-inch closure, and I will have all those links down below, plus the discount code. And I'm gonna include, like, you know, a few little cute snaps or whatever when your girl was wearing the hair, so you guys can see like how it looks, you know, on Snapchat, the normal things that us women would do.
Got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny. You've been creeping and freaking and sneaking like you'll never lose me. Wanna hold you all night long.
Okay guys, so I've only had this hair for a week as well. So this is my initial review. I'm gonna come back and then do another review on the hair. But for right now, I'm loving it. I'm like McDonald's. Girl, I'm loving it. Get you some Nadula. If you like this video, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.